Hello friends, welcome to Be with Bunny channel. Today I am going to show you a drawing tool called TuxPaint. Let's start. TuxPaint, it's a drawing tool. It's simple to use. It's free. It's for kids ages 3 to 12. And there are many stamps and we can use it in our drawings. I love this feature. There are many more features. You can download TuxPaint software from TuxPaint website. Then you will see two options, TuxPaint and rubber stamps. You install both of them. If you leave the rubber stamps, then you can't see any rubber stamps in your paint. And after you install both of them, then you will get one screen and then select the TuxPaint window and then the TuxPaint will appear on your screen. Now let's try a simple drawing in TuxPaint. Now I picked the new option and now I'm going to pick the white background and the white background appeared on my screen. Now I'm going to I picked the paint option and picked blue. Then I'm going to draw a line. A curved line to the end. Now I am going to click on the magic tool and select the fill option and fill the sea. And I'm going to pick on lines and pick black, and I'm going to draw a boat in the middle of the sea. A slanting line here and a sleeping line there and a slanting line attached there and like this and a sleeping line attached to this slanting line and a slanting line like a triangle and a standing line in the triangle like this. Now I'm going to fill the boat with the colors. Now I go to magic tool and pick the fill option and pick brown. And now I want to fill the pink. Be careful, if we press on the lines, then the color will appear on the lines. I'm going to pick the stamps and pick the penguin stamp. Now I'm going to pick the confused penguin here. And the happy penguin in the next. Now let's search for the birds. Now let's search for flying birds. Not here. Yes, I found it. We can also reduce the size here. And I want to place the bird in this place. Yeah, the birds flying looks very nice. let's place the sun. I want to put the sun. Now let's see if the sun stamp is there. I think there is a stamp over here. I think I missed it. Let's check back. Yes, I found the sun. The sun looks very nice to see. Now let's place some fishes in the water. I think the fishes are mixed with the birds. So let's check. Oh yes, the fishes are down of the birds. Now I want to reduce the size of this fish. This fish looks too big. This size is okay, I guess. This size is okay too. This fish is very big. This size is okay. Let's add some couple of more fishes. This is very big fish. I want to reduce the size. Let's add some couple more fishes. A couple more. Yes, I think that's enough fishes. Yeah, my drawing is over. Now let's save it. Open, and now the saved picture will be saved. See? Now if you want, we can go back. And this, do you like my picture? I really like my picture. It's very nice. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my drawing. Next time I will come up with some new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.